David Norton. Mr. Norton, your motor vehicle has been towed.
Yes, it has.
You were before the court on a previous occasion, and you had 29 parking tickets. Your previous judgment was $1,090. You paid $300, and the boot was released, and you promised to pay $100 a month on the balance. So you came in, you had all those tickets. I'm not sure who you appeared before. I'm not sure if it was me because I don't remember. But you paid $300 on a $1,100 balance, and you never paid not one penny of the remaining balance. You never paid. Then you changed your registration. You got a different registration. Figured, how could they ever know it's me? So you got a different registration, and now you have 8 parking tickets, and you haven't paid one of them, not even one. What do you want to tell me about this?
Well, I've been out of work the last 6 months.
Well, we haven't changed our phone number. You know, we've got the same phone number, and these other tickets were not within the last 6 months.
I agree.
These other tickets go back 5, 6, 7, 8 years ago, so we're going back then. Now you're out of work, I understand that. Why didn't you pay these? You changed your registration, you didn't pay anything, now you got 8 new tickets on the new registration.
I'm not down here that much, and I let it go.
Well, there's not much wiggle room for you here because you've showed complete and total disregard for this court. You came in, you paid the $300, you said, forget those guys, I'm from Massachusetts, right? I don't come to get there that often, I'll change the registration, and I'm skating free. Well, you're not skating free. How do you feel about this, Inspector Quinn?
Same way, Your Honor. I mean, he's already had 2 bites at the apple, and now he has...
It's very uncomfortable for me to make this kind of a speech, because I'm usually very understanding. I understand. Hardship, I understand. Hardship, I really understand. But you have to call us and let us know. But when you change your registration, you don't pay a thing, you walk, and then you get booted again. Well, it's a little different. Your problem is that your car is now towed, which means you're paying storage fees every day where the car is. I don't know what it is, $30 a day? Somewhere around there. So now you're paying storage fees. Now you got the boot fee.
What about the interest? Can you do anything with that? There's a lot of interest on them.
The answer to your question is, I can do anything.
Okay.
That's not the question. The question is whether I will. You haven't shown much of an effort here. It's a $100 boot fee. On the new tickets, it's $160, so that's $260. You have a balance of $790 on the previous tickets. So it's back to $1,050. How much of that can you pay today?
$500.
I'm going to accept the $500 to release the car from the tow company. How much can you pay? What kind of a payment plan can you afford?
$75 a month.
Okay, I'm going to make it $50 a month, right, so that you pay it. Now, I'm going to tell you something, Mr. Norton. If you don't pay it and you ever come back again, I'll waive nothing. All the penalties that I waived, I'll put back on. Okay? You know, I really don't want to persecute you.
Thank you.
Right? But I don't want you to insult the court either, okay? Make sure.
Thank you, Judge.
I know you got knocked down, right? It's no sin to get knocked down. It's a sin not to get back up. So get back up. Good luck.
Thank you, Judge.
Fool me once, shame on you. Fool me twice, shame on me. My job is to try to balance the interests of the city with the rights of the individual. My natural inclination is to side with the individual. However, when that person defaults on our agreement, the benefit of the doubt is gone and the balance shifts. Trust me, it gives me no pleasure to play the role of enforcer. But when you try to fool me twice, you leave me no option.